How to open YouTube on TV. To open YouTube on your TV, the steps vary depending on the type of TV and the device you're using. Here's a guide for different setups. Number 1. Using a smart TV. Step number 1. Turn on your smart TV. Power on your smart TV and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step number 2. Navigate to the YouTube app. Using your TV remote, go to the home screen or app menu. Locate the YouTube app. It's often pre-installed on most smart TVs. If you don't see the app, search for it in your TV's app store and download it. Step number 3, open the YouTube app. Select the YouTube app to open it. You may be asked to sign in with your Google account to access personalized content. Number 2, using Android TV. Step number 1, turn on Android TV. Power on your Android TV and ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Step number 2, find YouTube. Use the home button on your remote to navigate to the Google Play Store or app section. Locate the YouTube app. It may be pre-installed. Step number 3, launch the YouTube app. Select the YouTube app to open it. If required, sign in with your Google account. Number 3, using Apple TV. Step number 1, turn on Apple TV. Turn on your Apple TV and ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Step number 2, open the YouTube app. On the home screen, scroll through the apps until you find the YouTube app. Select the app to open it. Step number 3, sign in, optional. If you wish to access personalized recommendations, sign in with your Google account. Number 4, using a streaming device such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, etc. Step number 1, turn on the device and TV. Power on your Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or similar device and make sure your TV is set to the correct input. Step number 2, navigate to the YouTube app. Use the remote control to go to the home screen. Locate the YouTube app. You may need to install it first from the device's app store. Step number 3, open the YouTube app. Select the YouTube app to open it and sign in with your Google account if necessary. Number 5, using Chromecast. Step number 1, connect Chromecast to your TV. Plug the Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port and ensure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or computer. Step number 2, cast YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device or computer. Tap the cast icon, looks like a small screen with a Wi-Fi symbol. Select your Chromecast device from the list to start casting YouTube to your TV.